Yeah, hello guys. Today I'm going to be showing you whether if it is actually possible to create an app without doing any kind of programming or coding at all. That's what we are going to talk about in this video today. So make sure to stick to the video to the very end to get insight or understand each and every single thing that I'll be showing you in this video. So to begin with, if you're a new member to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and then like the video that you are watching right now. Now, you should also go ahead and then go to the video description for the link to the website that we are gonna be using in this video. Let me go ahead and then open my browser, and then the link that you'll be seeing in the browser is the same as this one over here. The link is App Creator 24, and I'm sure most of you know about this platform. But if you don't know about this platform, I'm going to show you everything about it and how you can be able to use it. So first, if you are a new user over here, you need to sign up for an account. But if you are an existing user, you have to just go ahead and then log in, which I'll be doing right now. Now once you have successfully logged in into your account, you'll be redirected automatically to the session where you start creating your app. That is, if you're a new user, you'll be redirected to this page immediately. But if you are an old user that created some apps, you'll be redirected to another page. So over here they are asking us of the details of the app, and then the first one over here is the name of our app, which I'll give it this name. And then the second option is for our app icon. So you have to go to your phone gallery and then choose an app icon. So once you are done with that, you can choose the primary language of your app. It can be any language at all, but I'll be going with the English language. And then the description, you have to give a description to your app, make it short and then precise. So to not waste your time over here, I'm just going to input the app name in here again. And then once you are done with everything, go ahead and then click on the next button over here, and you'll be redirected to another page again. Now once you are redirected to this second stage or this second page, here you'll be asked to choose the style of your app. You can choose any style over here. It can be the hollow style, contrast, blue, red, green, any style at all, but I'm going to be going along with the blue one, and then clicking on the next button over here. Then we'll be taken to another page again. So while here they are asking us for the kind of app or the category of app that we are creating. So the categories that we have over here are the web app, TV or video app, quizzes, chat or social media app, video sharing, and then so on. So I will be going with the web app. And then over here they are asking us for the title of our web app, which I'll import in Editech app, and then importing my portfolio URL. Then, so once you're done importing the URL, you go ahead and then click on the next button again, and then it will save all your details, and then tell you on the next page that wizard completed, app created. The app has been created with the data you entered. Now go to the app manager to download and then complete it. So you have to go to the app manager and then download our app. Now here you will see the dashboard of the app that you use to customize the app to your needs. You can either place hours in it and then earn from it. But I would advise you not to do it that, because this is just a simple app creation, not any advanced method, and people won't be interested in any simple kind of app to use. So let me go ahead and then download the app and then show you everything. Okay, they say the app is not ready yet. Let's give it some time. Okay, let me go ahead and then download the app. Download anyway. Okay, it's 29 megabyte and it's going to take some time for it to download. So let's wait for it to download and then we install it and see how the app looks like. So the download is now completed, and then let me go back to my file manager and then install the app and open it for you guys to see whether if this app actually works or not. Okay, so now the app installation is done. Let's go back to the home screen and then open the app to see whether if it is gonna work or not. And as you can see, it started off perfectly with the app icon that I've added, and then it will load the web app in the web URL in the app. So let's wait for it to see whether if it is actually going to do that. Okay, it is now loading the main website. It just needs some time to properly load and then initialize everything in the app. Yeah, and here as you can see that the website is now fully loaded and then functional, and it is functioning very well. And this is my portfolio website. You can see the app is really working well, which means we can actually create an app without doing any kind of programming or coding at all, but it will not be good.